you for coming to queue to plant trees with us. We will continue with that cause. Hiyo bado inaendelea, imeenda pole, but we will ensure that what you started in queue continues and comes to pass. Mwisho niseme hivi. Kuna wale wamekushukuru kwa kupatia Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga kazi. Sijui ni umempatia ama umemsaidia apate kazi. Sisi tunauliza na kwa kikama tunasema sobi ambai. Sisi hatutaki kusaulika. Tusisaulike. And the handshake that Professor is suggesting, we have a formula for you to come to this community, wapatie vitu zile wanataka, because you are the president of these people also. Sisi hatutaki kusikia ni kama tuimbemba yote. Kanabe mundu kwendo? Thank you. Lastly, Your Excellency, we have one of its kind mango factory called Kalamba, done by Professor Kibwana. It does 5 tons an hour, 40 tons a day. And because the national government is considering fruits, and in the program you have done with EU on fruits, once we get cold storage, we will be able to produce mango juice for the whole of this country. So we are asking you, na waziri, if you can, mutusaidie hiyo. Zile nyumba ziko pale, ukisema ngwe, those houses, 261 units, can be completed immediately and quickly. Thank you very much. Tusimameni, ili tumualike the President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency William Samoei